welcome to your Ballet Fundamentals Lesson 4. I'm here with Ms. Allison today to demonstrate the class for you. It is Thanksgiving week, so unfortunately we don't have the entire class with us to show this lesson for you guys, but we are going to blow you away, just the two of us, right? Okay, so let's do it. We're starting in the center in first position. Hands on your hips, tendu 1 and 2, arms are out, 3, close, 4, we plie, and straighten, good, left, 1, heel down, 2, hold those arms out, first, plie, good, to the right again, tendu, 1, heel down, 2, 3, close, 4, plie, last time to the left, and 1, 2, 3, close, 4, plie, good, hands come to your hips, our head goes down, center, back, center, tilt, to the right, to the left, look, right, look left, again, 1, and center, and back, and tilt, tilt, looking right, looking left, 2 more times, 1, tilt, right, and left, look right, and left, again, front, and center, and back, and center, tilt, right, and left, look right, left, and finish. And we circle right arm to left. Open those feet just a little bit wider than the hips. 1 count each. We circle 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feet together. Right foot, 1, 2, hold. And lower left foot, passe up. And lower. Good, we march all the way for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8. Stay with the music, and finish. And flat back, 2. Allison has, ooh, that's a nice flat back. And down. Good, just open up your feet a little bit more. And last one, 1, flat back, 2, hold it there, 3, 4, lower, 5, 6, feet together, hands on our hips. We're gonna plie, releve, plie 2 counts, 1, 2, releve, knees and ankles together, plie, releve, plie, and up, last time. Plie, releve. Now we're gonna bourre. And front, 2, 3, plie. Bourre back. Straight knees, little tiny steps. And bourre to the right, 1. And plie, bourre left. And again, bourre 1. 2, 3, and plie. Little bourres, quick, 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 quick. Ooh, those are better. Ooh. And to the right, 1. Little steps, and to the left. Nice and tall, hold your posture, and finish. Posture. We're gonna turn to the side so you can see her a little better. She's gonna be looking to the side. We're holding this for 4 counts of 8. Long necks, open chest. This is practice for placement at the bar and dancing in the center. So she's holding this. Feet are together, ankles are squeezed. If you can lift the toes up because they are so pointed, that is brownie points. Those are brownie points. Okay, we're going to flex and point. So as we flex for 4 counts, heels stay together, toes go out. So the heels are on the floor as much as possible and toes are on the floor. So I have a flat, beautiful first position with a squeezed bum and a tall neck. Ready? And we point for 4 counts. Here we go. So hold that, do not look anywhere but there. 5, 6, 7, and Allison's holding. Good, this is great posture exercise. Squeeze, toes are pointed. Stay, 2, 3, 4, good. Flexing and pointing, here we go. Flex, 1, 2, 3, 4. We point, 6, 7, and flex, 2, 3, 4, and point. Good, 2 more times. Flex, and point, smooth, and flex, and point, and finish. Good exercise. 7 right foot bends first. 1, 2, it's a little bend, hold it there. Slowly straighten. 6, 7, left foot bends. 1, and make sure it's turned out. We don't want our toe going to our head. It's an attitude. Slowly lower. Keep it pointed. Both feet bend, and 1, 2, good, that's good. No sickled feet, keep your toes up. And she's pushing these ankles down. Yes, hold it there. Again, this gives you time, hold it, to walk around and correct. And straighten. 6 and 7. And again, we repeat, right foot, 1, 2. There we go, hold. And straighten, keep those hands on the floor. Left and 1, 2, hold it by yourself. There we go, and straighten. Both legs bend, beautiful attitudes. Control, pointed feet. Hold it right there by yourself. Can you point that one more? Stay. That is so good, just like that. And she straightens both legs, holding, and finish. Okay, so this next setup is supposed to be at your ballet bar, which would be placed right in front of us, and you are up against the wall. So when you start doing plies, you have to stay nice and straight. You can't lean forward anywhere because there's ballet bars in front of you. So pretend that there's a ballet bar. When we get into our dance studio, we will have one, but for today, we're gonna place our hands on the hips. Okay, our feet are together. Ready? Right foot opens, 1, 2, left foot, and hold, close together. Right foot, left foot, and stay, and close. And plie, 2, 3, 4, straighten our knees, squeeze your bums, and another plie. And kneecaps lifted, tummies in, and again, right 1, 2, left foot. And stay, and close. Really working on that turn now. Left, tummies in, and close. Plie, stay tall as you plie. And we straighten, squeeze your booty, and plie, and straighten, and finish. And plie, 1, 2, releve, 3, 4, plie, releve, and plie, 2, releve, and plie, 2, and releve, and 1 count. Up, down, up, down, up, down, releve, stay, hold, right arm, left arm, 5, 6, and 7, and finish. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and straighten, 2 demis, 2 grands, plie. Now remember that ballet bar is right in front of you. Grand plie. Stay tall. Heels down and straighten and grand plie. Heels down. Quick change to second. Demi. 2, 3, 4 and straighten. 6, 7. Tummies in. Demi. And straighten grand plie. Down. Now remember, your pelvis doesn't go below your knees. It's just a little bit deeper than a demi plie. And finish. 7. And we tendu. 1, 2. Hold it there. Straight knees, standing nice and tall. Turn in. Turn out. Pull it in. Where's your first? 1, 2. Hold. Stay. Look up nice and tall. Don't look down. And close to the side. 1, 2. Hold. Good. We turn it in. Turn it out. Close. She's got nice strong knees now. Those aren't bending. And in and out. Close. Left side to the front. Hold right in front of your nose. Turn it in. Turn it out. Close it in. And a 1, 2. Stay. Good, Allison. Turn in and turn out. Close. 2 to the side. 1, 2. Tummy in nice and tall. And turn in, turn out, close. And tendu to this side. Stay and hold. Turn it in, turn it out, close. Finish. And plie, arms, plie, releve, bourrée round. Good, to the left. Plie, arms, releve, bourrée round. 6, 7, and turn out the right foot. Turn out left foot. And toe springs right, and left, and right, and left, and left. 1, 2, and a right. Left toe spring, left, right, left, and again. 1, 2, and plie, releve, and around. Good, high up on those toes. 1, 2, and plie, releve, high, and 5, 6, there we go. And turn out right foot, turn out left foot, toe springs go right. Ooh, those look good, much better. Left foot, right foot, left. Finish. Next we have our pas de carreaux or ballet runs across the floor. So first, I would just do this with my hands, your hands on your hips for your students. And if you have a more advanced class, you can try to add the arms, yes? This is practicing for entering and exiting on stage, because even though it's an entrance and it's an exit, you are still dancing as you come onto the stage. We're not gonna do a ballet piece and you walk on, run on stage and, ha, I'm here, right? No, you're still, everything is a dance. Everything is choreographed. Pas de carreaux on those toes. Run, 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 run. There we go. Much better. Good, go ahead and try with some arms. Go. So to wrap up our ballet classes, we always end with some stretching. Allison's going to demonstrate your pike stretch forward, her nose down into her knees, holding this for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, walk around, stretch, and push your students down as far as they can go with pointed toes. Yes. Good, and she's gonna open up into her straddle. We're gonna stretch it over to the right leg, pointed toes, and we're gonna stretch it over to the left. So we're moving a little bit quicker today because we've had a long few hours of shooting tutorials, but you guys take your time in this in class. And down to the center. This is just the pattern that we walk through. And roll it up. Good. We're gonna go ahead and lie down on your back. We're gonna put your head that way. Yep. Oh, nope. Head this way. Good. On your backs. Extension stretches. We're gonna hug our right knee into the chest. Good, she's gonna grab the back of her calf and straighten it up, holding it here. Good, she's gonna get this knee straight, and we're gonna turn it out knee this way. So this is your extension stretch. We're gonna hold it. You can also walk around, correct your students, and we're gonna carry it to the side. Straight bottom leg, point that toe. Is it sore?
I don't know why.
Is it sore?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Sure.
Good, and make sure that you do that to the right and left sides, but for video purposes, we're only going to do to the right. We're gonna go into our splits next. We're gonna come up onto our knees, facing the front, please. Hands on your hips, right leg in front. Slide it down into that split. And hold it. And again, make sure you also do your left split. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. This was your Fundamentals Ballet Lesson 4. Again, this is for ages 6 to 8. Thanks so much. We'll see you next month for Lesson 5. Bye.